Uno. In the
Wait.
box.
Sure.
No, wait. Yep, go down. Good.
Can I say a few words?
Sure.
What do we know about this bird? You might not think much. It's just a bird. But we do know something. We know it's a local bird. Maybe it's the same bird that surprised Oscar with a special present from above.
I remember that.
And we know how he died, flying into the glass doors. But you know what? I don't think he was being stupid. I think he just really wanted to come inside our building to spread his cheer and lift our spirits with a song.
It's not a songbird.
An impression then. Lastly, we can't tell but notice he was alone when he died. But of course, we know that doesn't mean he was alone, because I'm sure there were lots of other birds out there who cared very much for him.